In today's video, I'm going to show you how to export transparent video in CapCut PC. So start by dragging your video onto your timeline. The next is make sure that it's selected and make necessary adjustments in your clip, like setting the duration and cropping some areas in your video. The next is click on remove BG. So here we're just gonna tick the box or enable auto removal. Now just wait for the process to be done. And once the background is fully removed, click on the export button at the top. Then next is change the format to MOV. This format supports transparent background for videos. Then click on the export button. And that's it. So thank you for watching this video and see you again on the next one.